about a nice short and sweet video for a Friday that is packed with value? Future you will be so happy that today you did what I'm about to show you in this video. We are going to learn from the current bestsellers related to Halloween. Yes, it's too late to sell Halloween today, but we are going to freeze this moment in time, take a snapshot of the data so that 1 year from now, or 10 to 11 months from now, realistically, we can leverage this information while everybody else is trying to remember what were the bestsellers a year ago. We are going to export this data and save it and benefit future us, future you, using what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get right to it. So short and sweet, as promised, I logged into Everbee, which has a massive product database of best-selling Etsy products. I clicked product analytics on the left-hand side. So if you guys aren't on Everbee, make sure you sign up using the link in the description, save some money. Click product analytics, okay? And then I went ahead and I searched for the search terms Halloween shirt. This is very broad, but this is also probably the highest value search term or phrase associated with Halloween that we as print-on-demand sellers selling Halloween shirts would want to rank on. If you sell other products, by the way, Halloween sweatshirt, Halloween coffee mug, Halloween whatever, save the data, okay? So what I did here as step one, simply type in that search term. The next thing I do, since we cannot export this view right here behind me, is I typically will look at the best sellers. So you can simply click them under product name. If you want to view them on Etsy, you can go ahead and click view on Etsy. It takes like seconds to view it on Etsy. But what I like to do is grab the shop name, which you can see here above my head. Okay, this shop is called Custom Station Gifts, and I'll copy it. Then I'll go to Everbee's shop analyzer. Okay, and I can go ahead and paste the shop name into there and click search shop, which I have already did. You actually see the results here. Now it's going to look at the entire shop. It's not just going to freeze Halloween. So what you can do though with this is you can export the entire shop. I'm currently pointing over my shoulder at the export button. So you can go ahead and click that. It will email you a spreadsheet with all of the data for that entire shop and all of their listings as such, as you see here. Now, not to scare you guys with Microsoft Excel if you're not, proficient, but I just want to show you really quickly how easily we can filter out the non-Halloween products. I'm going to click the first row. I'm going to go to data and click filter. Then where it says product name, I'm going to click the down arrow that is the filter. I'm going to go to text filters and I'm going to click contains. Now I'm going to make sure that it contains the word Halloween and I will click OK. And it has just filtered out all products for me that do not contain the word Halloween. This shop has quite a few Halloween products. And from here, I can even sort by the number of sales, monthly sales, revenue, etc. All that is available in the spreadsheet. So what I recommend you do is keep a folder called Halloween 2023 where you save all of the shop exports and go back and forth. Do this a few times. If you want to, you can actually click the shop name underneath this view and it will automatically take you on this tab into the shop analyzer for that shop. Okay, so again, just go to the new shop, click the export button, save these spreadsheets. If you want to, honestly, you can even cut out all of the non-Halloween products and combine the data into a single spreadsheet. This is one of the ways that a lot of the best Etsy sellers go about identifying the best opportunities, so they don't spend their time creating designs in niches that aren't highly sought after. Okay, this is something that if you guys remember the interviews, the first interviews I did with Steven, multi-million-dollar Etsy seller who started Hello Custom, has a great YouTube channel. He literally talked about this exact flow. This is what he does. He uses Everbee, exports the data, goes in, queries it for the exact niche that he's looking for. And it's as simple as going back and forth, as I just showed you. I mean, we're literally like 2 clicks away from exporting entire shops at a time. Again, just to show you, before we wrap the video, go to product analytics, type in the search term. In this case, I did Halloween shirt. You could do Halloween coffee mug if you want to. From there, evaluate the best sellers. If you want to take a screenshot of this, go ahead, as long as you can see and figure out what the niches are, the sub niches, right? The sub niches. Then go ahead, click, it's a simple, click the shop and look at the entire shop's data, export it using this single click, and then save the spreadsheet. Whether you want to combine it all into a single spreadsheet today or just simply do it next year. And by the way, I like to back my data up, so I'll have it on my computer. I'll also upload it to Google Drive where I keep, backups of everything. That's always a nice little, tip there, not to have one copy of things because, things go wrong with tech all the time. And that's really it, guys. So I hope you found this useful. Everbee is one of the best apps for Etsy sellers. I will link to it at the top of the description. Make sure you check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button if you found this useful. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new Etsy shop review.